welcome back. Today's video is about some music. You guys love music on your rides, different options, waterproof options. Most of my subscribers are going to care about how waterproof these things are, and once again, that's what I went for. I want to test out a new product, something I'm not afraid to send underwater. I also wanted to get something better than my Gator soundbar, something to match the buggy. Let me show you guys what we came up with. So here's my new buggy I've been working a lot on, my 2019 P500. Done a lot already to the plastics, long arm kit, Walker Evans shocks, Keller ball joints, Demon axles, torque locker, power steering. We're gonna do a build video on this one soon, so stay tuned for that. But that's not what today's video is about. Today's video is about the sound system, and I want to show you guys this package that I got from LiveRound. I already unboxed it, but the good part is the speakers, and I think you guys will like them. All right, LiveRound Sounds Power Towers. And it's roughly, crap, I don't know, like that's almost, I'd say 10, 11 inches long. This back housing is. Got them painted to match the buggy, and the powder coat on this part is the same powder coat that I'm using on my long arm suspension, so everything is going to match up real nice. We're going to get them installed on the back of the Pioneer here, and see how easy install this is. These things are super waterproof. It has a simple on and off switch. All of your equalizer settings and your volume settings, everything like that is going to be controlled through your device, through your phone. You just have to turn these on, and then they'll be connected to your battery. Comes with an inline fuse, great waterproof connections to hook everything up with, and plenty of wire to run it to whatever. You can get with them and customize your length in between the speakers. Really fine tune this thing if you just talk to them, tell them what you're looking to do. And I think these things are going to set the build off great. So they look really quality, they look really good, and they match the buggy perfectly. Very happy with them. And what I'm going to do is we're going to get them installed on the rack here, probably on this one and this one up. Hey guys, I got it turned down, but they are really loud back behind the speaker, and when you're sitting in the cab it's not as loud because the music is obviously going away from you. But overall I'm very impressed with the sound of these. Way louder than my Gator bar, in my opinion, definitely a cut above that. So super impressed. Want to give a big shout out to LiveRound Sound for these power towers. They're awesome. The paint matches my plastics perfect. The powder coat on the LiveRound Sound is on the bottom for how I turned them, but it matches my suspension perfect, and super happy with these things. You can go quite far with them. I'd say over 100 foot, and still get Bluetooth connection and still get good sound out of it if you're standing directly back behind it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me what you think about the placement of them. The P5, the cage is a little weird. I was thinking about putting them towards me, but they don't fit in this square, and the roof hangs down. He was kind of designed for putting it through here, coming in this way, but I thought it would fit, and they don't. So that's what we got for now. I may do ones, these facing out, and then a set on the up top there coming back in the cab.